So, and this is
There they are.
the small, angry bird.
Okay, let's go over here.
Okay, we're moving over here now. I am without my mask. So, shout out to Wild Florida Rescue. They run on donations and volunteers. And volunteers all of the time.
Here he is.
Hi. And we decided to nickname him Angry and Wingle. Because he's angry and he was caught in my Pokemon sweater. Or he has an injured wing. If I can get,
Oh, nope. Go the other way.
I can't.
There you go, buddy. See, his wing is like just dragging.
Yeah. Look at it. Aw, poor little guy.
You think you can save him?
Anywho.
It just depends. We're going to take him to the hospital and see what they say. And
Okay.
they'll do an X-ray
Any-
and see how
Did we get an update?
Anywho.
the wildlife hospital.
Anywho.
Alright.
So, yeah, if you want to be like this amazing lady, we're here. Be sure to like join them and stuff. This is going on YouTube and TikTok.